Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account from business account or creator account. Very simple guys, with 2 clicks we're gonna get the job done. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now the first thing I want you to do is to click on the lower right corner on your profile picture. When you're at your profile, I want you to hit the 3 straight lines on the top right corner, okay? Now, when you're at settings, I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now guys, pay very close attention. This is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down to the section for professionals. And now I want you to click on business tools and controls. When you're here, I want you to scroll all the way to the almost bottom of the page. And I want you to click on the second to the last with the white font. Switch account type. When you click on it, you simply will have the choice to switch back to personal account from my current business account, or you can switch from my current business account back to creator account. This is how simple it is, guys, to switch back to personal account from business or creator account. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.